I launched my laundry services business in August 2024, and it's been an exciting and rewarding journey so far. After spending a year exploring the laundry sector, I recognized a huge opportunity in Canada to transform and elevate the laundry experience. Our goal was simple: to create a modern tech-enabled facility that offers outstanding amenities and unmatched customer service, completely reimagining the way Canadians think about laundry. At NextGen Laundry, our brand is all about continuously improving the customer experience. One key part of this is the payment process, something that plays a big role in every laundry visit. That's why we partnered with KioSoft to bring a seamless, coinless payment experience, making it easier and more convenient for our clients. We wanted them to have the ability to tap and pay at every machine, which is why we chose a combination of the Ultra LX readers for our washers and dryers and the Ultra VXT readers for our coffee and snack vending machines. We explored several hardware suppliers, but when KioSoft was introduced to me, you stood out. You were the only supplier who took the time to invite me to your office in Mississauga, brought in a team of experts, truly listened to the vision I had for our facilities, and worked with us to come up with a tailored solution that fit our needs perfectly. From day one, our clients have been thrilled with the fact that we're a coinless facility, and they love the convenience of being able to tap to pay directly at the machines using the KioSoft readers. Many clients were especially excited when they discovered they could use Apple Pay or NFC with their mobile phones. For those who don't have tap-enabled debit or credit cards, the KioSoft kiosk provides the option to load a laundry card with cash. Offering these flexible payment options has been a game changer. The KioSoft systems has removed the need to empty coin boxes, which has ultimately created a more secure environment, greatly reducing the risk of theft. Having the ability to easily track sales performance and create ad hoc reporting via Washboard has been extremely helpful. Without a doubt, having these systems in our store has created a very positive experience for our clients and is certainly attributed to the month-over-month growth we've seen since opening the store. We have an ambitious growth plan, and we'll be opening new stores in 2025 and 2026 with the same mission of elevating the laundry experience for our clients. We look forward to broadening our partnership with KioSoft as we scale. Overall, our experience with KioSoft has been positive, and we look forward to what's ahead.